Now the next, Chhatrapati Pratap Singh. Although the Peshwaship came to an end, Chhatrapati Pratap Singh of Satara was still ruling. Britishers signed a treaty with Chhatrapati Pratap Singh and appointed Grand Duff as an officer to assist him in the state affairs, but later the Chhatrapati was dethroned and exiled to Kashi. He died there in 1847. And in the last video we learned, in the year 1818, Bajirao II surrendered to the British and he was defeated, and the Maratha Shahi came to end. Then although the Peshwa came to an end in the year 1818, this person, Chhatrapati Pratap Singh, who is this? Chhatrapati Pratap Singh, he was a Chhatrapati of Satara. He is still ruling over his region, and unfortunately he also signed a treaty of subsidiary alliance with the Britishers, and the Britishers, or the Lord Wellesley, he appointed Grand Duff. Who was this person? Grand Duff. The person Grand Duff as an officer to assist him. These Britishers, they appointed Grand Duff to help him in his work in the state affairs, but later the Chhatrapati was dethroned. Dethroned means now they changed the Chhatrapati of Satara region. And exile. Exile means he sent away. He was sent away to Kashi by the Britishers and he died there in 1847. In the year 1847, Chhatrapati Pratap Singh was died at Kashi. He was exiled by the Britishers. Now, Rango Bapuji Gupte. Rango Bapuji Gupte, a loyal officer of the Chhatrapati, fought the legal battle and went to the England, but his efforts were unsuccessful. Later, Lord Dalhousie rejected the adoption policy and in 1848 annexed the state of Satara. After the death of this Chhatrapati Pratap Singh, Rango Bapuji Gupte, he was a loyal officer of Chhatrapati. He fought the legal battle against the Britishers and he went to England. He went to England, but his efforts were unsuccessful. Though he tried his best to fight against the Britishers, but his efforts were unsuccessful. And later on, with this Lord Dalhousie rejected the adoption. Adoption means if you do not have a child, if you do not have the son, then you can't adopt the son from others. You should have to leave or surrender. You have to surrender or you have to annex your region in the British government or in the British company. Adoption policy, and in 1848 annexed the state of Satara to the British company. Means the last person who tried to keep his existence, that was Rango Bapuji Gupte. He was the loyal officer of Chhatrapati Pratap Singh, but because of the policy of, because rejected the adoption policy, who this person Lord Dalhousie, and because of the adoption policy in the year 1848, the Satara region was annexed, the state of Satara, or the annex in the British company. Now, the some of the good things of, do you know, Chhatrapati Pratap Singh made provision of water to the city by building a water tank on the back side of Yevteshwar temple, and Mahadara in Satara. This Chhatrapati Pratap Singh, he was died in the year 1847, but he was a good person. He was a good Chhatrapati. He did many of the things for the people's welfare, that the building of water tank. Then roads were built in the city. Where did he build? Water tank side of Yevteshwar temple and Mahadara in Satara. He also built the roads. Trees were planted on both sides of the road. Schools were also built for boys and girls. For teaching Sanskrit, Marathi and English, printing press was set up by him. And many useful books were also published by him. In 1827, Sabha Niti, a book on polity, was printed by him. He built road from Satara to Mahabaleshwar to Pratapgarh. The same road further extend to Mahad. Chhatrapati Pratap Singh used to write personal daily diary. This was some of the things about the Chhatrapati Pratap Singh.